Ocsinillo quickly to Marilao. Danny Marilao.
And somebody caught an elbow on the face.
Now it's
And that's Kelly Nabong. I'm not used to it. Usually it's the other way around, intentionally or not, but I don't think it was intentional on Danny Marilao's part. He doesn't really play that way, but he was just looking to protect the basketball. Let's see once again.
Kelly Nabong.
Has a few words.
Yun, natamaan.
Ayun. That elbow extended a little bit. I might have to take, compared to the bench of Davao, 12. So that's something that has to be present in the second half, especially for a team like Davao na galing sa talo.
Oo, and syempre, itong Bacolod led by Danny Marilao and JJ Española ang 5 para sa Bacolod. Marilao nakabuelo and Danny Marilao puts it in.
You see, ito yung mind games ni Marilao because I saw him before the start of the third quarter talking in peace with Kelly Nabong. Ito, tinamaan siya sa muka. Pero minsan psych war yan eh. Okay na tayo ha. Okay na tayo. Sabay first play, atakin na kita. Ayan, inatake nga niya si Kelly Nabong of that nice roll and dive to the basket of the pass on the ball screen.